What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of removing a Roblox PIN if you have forgotten it. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the steps will help you reset your PIN and regain access to your account. First is open the Roblox app on your device or visit the Roblox website. Click on the login button to proceed to the login section. After you log in, tap on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. While we are in the More tab, scroll down until you find the Help and Safety tab and tap on it. Tap on the Help tab. While we are in the Help tab, type in search bar PIN. After that, find I forgot the PIN in the account settings section and tap on it. While we are inside of it, tap the contact form. In the contact form, fill up all the forms for details so that they can proceed and help you to solve the problem. After filling up all the forms, tap Continue. Resetting your PIN takes time to process, so make sure that you are alert and wait for the response to proceed. Remember to keep your new PIN safe and consider writing it down in a secure place. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.